So we're here at the BOE here at the SID Display Week, and who are you?
Hi, hello everyone. My name is Li Hong. I'm from BOE. Yeah, I'm the flexible display engineer. And last year I have do the same thing.
This is your phone.
Yeah.
This is your phone. This is a special phone, right?
Yes.
Can we look around?
Yes. Okay.
So what is special about this phone? Can you show?
Yes. Okay. I will open it.
Whoa,
Wow.
that's cool. So basically you have the coolest phone in the world, right?
Yes. Okay.
And then
You can have a try.
the Android UI is big.
Yes.
You can even play videos if you have any videos on it. And
Like this.
you can show the
It's
video.
our video.
It's battery powered.
You can look around.
So how soon can I buy this?
Maybe 1 or 2 years.
1 or 2 years. Can you hurry
I'm
up?
not sure.
Make faster? Maybe?
Okay, we'll try my best. Okay.
You try your best.
Yeah,
Okay, cool.
yeah.
Let's look around a little bit at your booth.
And do you need we fold it?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can fold it down
Yes.
again.
I can fold it. Look around. Okay.
This is so cool. So how big is the screen? 7.56, yeah?
Yes.
And when it's closed, it's like a normal phone. When you open it, it's like a tablet.
Yes. When we open it, it's a tablet.
And everything works. The touch is working everywhere on the screen.
Of course.
Nice. I hope you find a way to make the material so it doesn't scratch. You know, it goes in the pocket, there's no scratching, it's good quality, it's never breaking. I hope so. I hope you find a way.
We also hope so.
You also
Yeah,
hope so?
Yeah.
Because everybody needs to buy this, right?
Yeah.
And next
It's
year.
very cool. Yeah.
Very cool. Yeah. Okay, so let's walk around here. You have some different, you're showing some different things about the rounded displays that you have.
Right.
And
This one is our flexible display, louder speaker.
it's also touch, huh?
Yes, also touch. I can show you. Let's begin. And we can touch to adjust the volume.
Nice. So it's for the speaker market. So it could be have a built-in speaker in the middle. And it's also can close.
Yes, I can show you. Turned.
Great.
Yeah, the appearance of this loudspeaker, we cooperate with the Chinese traditional culture, Tai Chi. You know
Tai
that?
Chi.
Tai Chi. 中国功夫.
Kung Fu.
Yeah, just like. Because we
style.
are from China.
This is
yeah.
the style.
Yeah.
Okay, this is another cool phone. This is the paper phone. What is this? It's just
Thinner, it's ultra thin and light. It's thinner than the paper. Okay, I can show you.
the UI is okay.
Yes.
So is this kind of like magic, or how can you make this?
It's flows.
And you can even touch the screen. Is okay? Or it's a little bit fragile, right?
Sorry.
You don't want to touch it too much.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how soon can I have a paper phone?
Paper phone?
How soon can I have one like this in the pocket?
You can buy it now.
You can buy it now?
Yes.
You have prototype for sale?
Yes. We have the product.
So this is.
Do you want one?
Yeah, of course I want. So this is 599
Yes.
inch. This is Flexible AMOLED. This is the standard of Flexible AMOLED that you're selling. You're selling this right now in the smartphone market. But usually there's a glass,
Yes.
right? Like this one. Is this display inside? Is this flexible?
Yes. The display part
same.
is the same. And
But it's hard, you know. It's not a piece of paper. It's not like flexible
because of the cover glass.
because you need to protect it.
We use the cover glass.
But they will be possible to do like plastic. Will be like this, right? So when you do the flexible, this is plastic, no glass, huh?
Yeah. This is the cover film, plastic.
Nice. This is so cool. And here's some other flexible.
Yeah, this is another sample.
What is FOTA? What does it mean?
It's our.
Yeah.
It means foldable on-TFE touch AMOLED.
Yeah.
So it's foldable and on touch.
Yes.
AMOLED. You can show it flex. Is there? You can close open. Oh, part off. Okay.
I think
Yeah.
Sorry, that's
one, only one single
Yeah,
here.
only one. Okay, let's take it easy. No problem. Yeah. And around here you have another
Yes.
5.5-inch banana phone. Oh, moon phone.
It's used different process. Inject, print.
Printed OLED.
Yeah, it's very cool.
So there is a backlight. There's a light in the back.
Yeah.
I mean, no, it's no backlight. It's OLED, right? But it's printed OLED.
Yes.
So how far is this in the future?
Maybe longer than that.
Longer than 1 or 2 years. Does it mean the printed OLED like this will be cheaper, maybe in the future?
Cheaper, and the process will be very easier than that.
Nice.
Yes.
And around here you have some other demonstration. You can put it in a robot face.
Yes, it's cute.
The cute
Yeah?
robots. Yeah. Touching
we
on
have
the eyes.
touch function. Okay, that's the BOE Flexible display.
Nice. And you will also be able to do bigger ones, the automotive.
Yes. This is just the one screen. Yeah. The size of the screen is 20.3 inch. Yeah. We use this as the automotive.
So how is it to work as an engineer in the BOE on this display? How does it feel
How it feels? It's very
for you?
cool.
Every day you go to the office, you say, let's make a flexible display, and you work on this?
Yes.
You work
we,
on-
we work on this for just about 6 or 5 years.
5 years?
Yes.
Yourself? You work so long?
No,
not you.
Our team.
Your team.
For our research team.
How many people in your team?
R&D team. Maybe.
Secret?
Maybe, no. Yeah, yes.
A little bit secret, but many. And the best engineer in China, right?
Of course.
Yeah. And this is the BOE eye gallery. Is this 8K, 4K? What is this? High resolution. Okay, let's go and see if you have some colleagues over there
Okay.
talking about the other displays.
Okay.
Okay, let's go in the back over here.
See you.
Okay, thank you. I'm gonna jump over here. This is a 13.3-inch 8K.
Yeah, okay. Oh, sorry. Wait a minute.
The video is finished.
It's finished.
Does it loop? I'm looking forward to have 8K camera on my YouTube. Can
Yeah,
you?
oh.
Does it work? The keyboard?
Oh, no. It's just a sample.
Try to click on the other place in the video.
Okay. No,
Oh,
here.
there it is.
Yeah.
This is an 8K video on a 13.3-inch. So do you have a laptop like this yourself? You have one like this?
No.
No?
So because it's just a sample, so but I really want this one. Yeah.
So you can have more detail, even though it's just a 13.3-inch.
No. And now is the world's first outside product, 8K product, and the border is very narrow, and it's 2.5, and the power is just 2.8 watt.
Just 2.8 for an 8K display.
Yeah, for 8K
laptop
play.
market.
Yeah.
The laptop market. Here's a 8K 65-inch glasses-free 3D. That's also cool. 65-inch glasses-free. So is this parallax barrier? How does it work?
Because we add film about this panel, so it can change 2D image to a 3D image.
In,
Yeah, yeah,
in 8K. This is 75-inch 8K display. That's amazing.
Yeah.
You have this at home?
No.
No?
I haven't so big a house. Yeah.
No? You need to upgrade the house, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can ask your boss.
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay,
Yeah.
but I think 75-inch 8K is kind of like the best size for 8K, right? You
Yeah.
want at least 70-inch, and you get an 8K display. This is KSF.
Yeah,
LED.
KSF LED. Yeah.
So what is special about the KSF LED?
So with the KSF LED, you can see the color gamut will reach a very high color gamut. You can see it's more than 90% NTSC. So the picture is vivid and the color example is very similar with the real world and get a better experience, real experience.
How soon is this on the market?
Now the panel, the BOE only manufacture the panel and not the whole TV. And the panel 60 Hz will soon be put into market, maybe after a few months.
Few months.
Yeah.
And the price will be good?
Yeah, the price is
Less than
very...
$8K dollars?
So I don't know the precise cost of the panel, but not expensive, really not expensive.
And BOE displays are available all over the world, not only in China, right?
Yeah.
And here
So,
you have
uh,
another
international.
huge display.
And this is the biggest LCD in the world. You can see it's 110 inch.
Nice. That's cool. Do you have one of these at home?
No.
I always ask this.
Yeah, you want to take it home, you must have a big house. But in China, we don't have a big house for the normal people.
Yeah.
Ordinary people. So it can be used in the outdoors or the
Why is it not
shopping malls or some.
Why is it not 8K?
Because 8K we didn't take it here. It go to other places, but
You have also
yeah, we have 8K.
110-inch 8K.
110 8K, and 8K is very suitable to make the 3D or live field to another technology that needs a higher resolution.
Nice. That's cool. If I
Thank
upgrade
you.
my TV, I will consider it.
Yeah.
Okay. And so BOE is what is it? What does it mean? BOE best.
Yeah. Best on the earth. Yeah.
Best on the earth.
Yeah, best on the
Not
earth.
just best in China.
Not the best in China. That's our goal. Yeah.
This is the special fingerprint reader
Yeah.
technology.
This
You
is you can see the under display fingerprint based on TFT technology. So it is based on the glass. Now the silicon, you can see that, and then I can when I write my fingerprint. So I need the close.
Yeah.
不拆下来.
Okay, it's not ready right now. Maybe.
Okay. So
Yeah.
I need
Too many people use it.
Okay, and then you see my fingerprint, and then the fingerprint is not clear. Oh, I can see it very far. Then I put every part of my finger. And then in Roman, then I open the verification page. Then I put the finger on that. So this is the wrong finger, and when I put the right finger, so sorry, I must clean it.
No problem. So
So it's
Yeah.
finger accepted.
but what's special about this is based on TFT.
Yeah, based on TFT.
Nobody else have this
Yeah, this is our first sample we have made.
for
Yeah.
OLED display, right?
Yeah, this is the rigid OLED display. Yeah.
Right. Let's walk around over here. Here you have some other of the phones that you have displays for phones. What is
Yeah.
MPC?
Yeah, the MTSC means the multiple primary colors. There are 6 primary colors in the color filter. Not only the red, blue, and green, also has cyan, magenta, and yellow. So it has 6 primary colors. Then the color gamut will be higher. You can see it can reach 113% NTSC.
Is this LCD?
Yeah, this is LCD, or all
this
these are
around
this
here.
LCD. Yeah.
And this is another one, the
Yeah,
oxide.
and then oxide. You know that oxide has a better mobility electron than amorphous silicon. But oxide is only used in the large side, but we can also put it into the small side. And this one we also use the MUX. We use triple gate lines in the horizontal direction and one length of the data side to introduce the cost of the IC. So this product with the better performance and lower cost.
Better performance, low cost, amazing, full view, bezel-less smartphones. Better color, but lower brightness. Is this lower brightness or no?
Now this one is brightness is and this one is brighter than that one.
For some reason.
Because when we design, and this one is, you know that because of its
Emphasis on the color.
Yeah, with a color filter, a lot of color filters, so the transmittance is lower than this one.
Just many color filters.
Yeah, and this one you can see is mini LED. You can see that from the top and the bottom, the same different because in the top the HDR function is on, and the bottom at the bottom the HDR function is off. So you can see that with the mini LED, every part of the backlight unit is controlled separately. So you can see in the dark place, the mini LED will be off, so the picture will see darker, and then it can get a higher contrast ratio. The contrast ratio can reach 180,000. Yeah.
So it's local dimming.
Yeah, local dimming. This one. Local
Smartphone, local dimming.
Yeah,
It's not many people do this.
Other company may all do this.
Mostly local dimming is for TV, right?
Yeah, TV, monitor, and mobile phones, they can all use this technology, even in VR.
And this is
Yeah, this is similar with that one, but this is bigger. You can see it's 27 monitor. When you play games or doing the chart in the mechanical area, it's very suitable.
here's a notch.
Yeah.
Dreaded notch.
This
I
is
thought
the
BOE
notch.
don't do notch.
Oh,
You do notch.
No, BOE do not. Yeah, there is not in BOE.
Too bad.
So
I'm joking. Okay, it's okay. Okay, so there's a notch style.
Notch, and this one is a 4K UHD, and it is also made of oxide TFT, so it can support a very high refreshing rate from 10 Hz to 60 Hz, and now it's the 15 Hz. You know that 15 Hz, the power consumption will be reduced significantly. Yeah.
So BOE has a really cool engineer R&D to do all this oxide. How do you do the oxide?
We have a very large R&D team, and you know the oxide in Hefei, Chongqing, a lot of places, a lot of people to do this thing, and we have this process and factory in all these places.
So let's check the reflective LCD.
Yeah, this is reflective LCD is different from that one, and that's the transmittance, and this is reflective. You can see the reflective with the e-paper. This one, the color gamut can reach 50%. So we compare with Kindle or other devices, and the luminance and the color gamut will be higher. You can see it can reach 50% NTSC, and it is only supported by the ambient light. When I turn off the light, you cannot see the picture, but when I adjust the light, you can see different colors. So it uses the ambient light, so the power consumption is very low. Yeah.
Is it possible to improve the reflective qualities of this display? Can you have more? Like, can it look like an e-ink, like this paper here?
Yeah.
How can you do?
So compare with this one is LCD. Compare with e-ink. The advantage of this product is that it can reach a higher color gamut. You can see the color will be more ample.
So maybe this could be for digital signage outdoors.
Yeah. It is just the outdoors application.
Very low power consumption, right?
Yeah, very low power. You can see less about 1/2 watt. Yeah.
Half a watt.
Yeah, 1/2 watt.
Nice.
Yeah.
Is this a waveguide?
Waveguide display, yeah. And you can see the transmittance is higher than 80%. And the light emits from the bottom and we use the polymer liquid crystal between the glass.
Polymer liquid crystal. How old is BOE, the company?
Yeah, we
How
have
old?
the house. Yeah, our BOE company is founded in 1993, so we have more than 2 years history.
More than
And-
25 years.
Yeah, 25 years. 25 years. So we have a long history and experience in the display area.
But in the last 5 years,
Yeah.
accelerate very much, right?
yeah, we
BOE
have
has
a
a
big
big growth.
progress. Yeah.
Big progress. Many new employees.
Yeah, you can see that we have a lot of products, all kinds of products, the VR, the automotive, not only the traditional notebook, monitor, TV, and we have OLED, so we have all kinds of products.
So what kind of VR displays are you showing here? You have high
Yeah.
the
So,
PPI 16,
Yeah, the PPI is
600, 615.
So sorry.
And how about the? This is
You can see this one. This is the micro OLED. So it is based on the micro OLED silicon substrate. So it is light and can reach a very high PPI. So you can see through the amplifier, the lens, you can see the picture, and it is full HD, 2K multiplied by 1K. And when I
this is 5,644 PPI
yeah, the PPI, the highest PPI.
in the world.
Yeah.
So this will allow for what kind of product?
So this you can use in the VR headset, so very small size. You can take it out. You can see it smaller than a 1 cent coin.
That's really small.
Then the 1 dime coin is smaller.
Is it expensive?
Uh,
It's the most expensive per inch in the world, maybe. I'm not, I don't know.
no, this is the
It'd be so
technology
cool. I'd like to have
development.
those in my glasses, right?
Okay.
On the glass, it should be, right?
Yeah, yes, you can put in the glasses or everything you wear.
And this is what's here.
Yeah.
AR applications, maybe.
Yeah, you see that he's experiencing our AR device.
So is that what kind of display in here?
You can see.
The same displays as the other one?
Yeah, I don't know that whether a camera can catch the picture, but you can see from the lens that is the scenery of the buildings and streets. You can see that there are lines through the glasses.
Nice.
Okay,
So AR is coming.
Yeah, so it is made of that screen. So the
And here's more micro displays.
yeah, a lot of micro display, the VR headset.
Yeah. So VR with the 4K 5.7 inch in here.
Yeah, you can see through the lens. You can see the
4K.
Yeah, the sea and a lot of fish.
And you also have 4K at 3.5 inch right here.
Yeah, and this is the very high PPI. You can see that it can reach near 2,000, approximately 2,000 PPI.
2000 PPI. That's cool for
That's the 1,900.
that's cool for VR.
Yeah. And this area is automotive. You can see they are all made of LCD, and this one you can see the lack of wave, they have a curvature, and 3 parts can display a lot of information. This one for the driver, and the middle control, navigation or recreation system, and the right part is for the passenger.
All right.
The entertainment system.
What's going on here?
Yeah, you can see the dual layer display. You can see it is an LCD display, but it's very similar with our traditional mechanical structure. You can see the depth. So the 2 layers, and this one is 3D. Maybe the camera cannot get.
Yeah, you need 2 eyes.
Yeah, so you get 2 eyes. You can see the 3D.
It's parallax barrier, maybe. Okay, maybe.
Okay, so and this is also mini LED. So mini LED is used in every kind of product. Maybe so the automotive micro display and monitor and TV mobile phone, a lot of area
So
can
much.
use them.
And these
And then
are these 8K or not?
So that's where is something of the art. You can see we call it eye gallery. You can see this one is plastic. It's the real painting, and this one is our product. It's the LCD display, and with our special design, front and rear. The experience and the effect is very similar with the real painting. And we do not only the hardware, we can also supply the numerous.
Is it 4K?
No.
8K?
2K. Then this is 2K.
2K.
Yeah. So we can also supply the numerous content, the numerous paintings that are licensed. So you can take all paintings, classical artworks back to your home. And if you are interested in your own pictures, you can send your pictures to your family or the photo to take outside to the device, to the iGallery by the application on your mobile phone.
So it's already a lot of sales for this?
Yeah, you can buy it in China, so you can see the 32 is less than $500.
$500 for
yeah,
32 inch.
but in America, so you cannot buy it because we have not got the license of America.